pwede pa interview? Dong. Okay na po dito. Short.
We just lost a superstar, a national artist. How big of a loss or how great of an impact is this to the whole industry?
Kasi sabi natin na marami talagang tumitingala sa kanya. Hindi lang sa body of work, pero ako para sa akin, superstar na talagang very down to earth. Hindi niya nakakalimutan ng utang na nakatrabaho niya. Ako, I don't think I've ever worked with her, but whenever we see each other, she make us feel normal. Alam mo, hindi ka dapat mahilang sa kanya.
I actually met her both as an actress and when I was in government. Grabe yung impact niya sa akin kasi yung respeto, yung suporta, especially during my time in FDC. She was always there. Her presence is her gift to all of us. Like, she really makes you feel na importante ka. Tapos, I remember, meron kaming isang, reach out siya sa akin para tulungan ko namin sa FDCBC. He was also an actor, Boy Alan, also passed away, but at the time, we used to go to his house because siya yung nagsabi, Liza, hindi ko na siya muna matutulungan because, you know, I'm also going through my own struggles. Pero ganun siya mapagbigay. I think her generosity is the one that everybody will remember the most. Na yung para sa kanya, ibibigay niya pa sa iba. So, I think she's like the epitome of kung ano yung isang artista at superstar. Kasi siya yung superstar na bababasa para paramdam sila na it's really a big loss.
Thank you po.
So much.
Thank you.